Aloha mai kākou. I'm Kumumaile coming to you from Kahalehuaka on the island of Molokai. And today I'll be sharing one ho'olelo, one new word in ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. E ho'opili mai. Repeat after me. Kapakahi. Hanaho, let's do that again. Kapakahi. Maika'i no. And kapakahi is a word that means unbalanced, uneven, kind of awkward and off. So when you see something that looks kind of like weird, you know, like maybe brother is wearing two different slippers. He didn't realize he put on two different slippers that morning. It was too dark when he left for school. You would say, oh, look your slippers, look your kalipa. They all kapakahi. They're all funny kind, yeah? So you could use it in many different ways. But I hope this helps. Ahui ho, malama pono.